Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel a Zoosk subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, what you have to do first, go ahead, access your Zoosk and simply get logged in as well. Once you have done so, you're going to find your profile. Right, simply go ahead, tap on the settings icon given below, and once you have tapped on that particular settings icon, it will simply access all of the menu, including this account info, notification, payments, and finally the subscription that we need. Once you have tapped on your subscription, you're gonna find the information regarding the subscription that you have taken from Zoosk itself, and you're gonna scroll down to the bottom and then you will find this option called cancel subscription. Go ahead, tap on it and reconfirm it, and then you will be able to cancel that particular subscription on Zoosk. But make sure that you have used it properly. Let's say if you have paid for like a month or 2 months, so after the time for subscription has ended, then only you would cancel it, otherwise your money gonna be on vain. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.